Detroit, 1903. The air is thick with steam and ambition. A young Henry Ford isn't just hammering metal, he is forging a dream to put a nation on wheels. With the Model T, that dream became reality. Mass production didn't just lower the price, it unlocked the horizon, transforming dust trails into the arteries of a new America. But we quickly demanded more than just mobility. The Model A brought sleek refinement to city streets, proving practicality could also be beautiful. In quiet studios, designers sketched the future, while beneath the hood, the rumble of the V8 engine became the definitive heartbeat of the American road. By mid-century, the car was no longer just transport, it was a statement. The Thunderbird was personal luxury, cruising through an era defined by neon lights and newfound culture. Then came 1964. The Mustang ignited a passion across generations, symbolizing a youthful need for speed, style, and the freedom of the open highway. Yet, America still needed to build. The F-Series evolved into the rugged companion for the workforce, matching grit with unwavering capability on any terrain. As technology reshaped the heart of production, our definition of adventure shifted to the family SUV, redefining travel. Yet, even amidst utility, the hunger for raw, prestige performance never faded from the legacy. A century of driving, a history built on steel and gasoline. But the road ahead demanded a new vision. The shift to electrification propelled icons into a silent, neon future. Power finally met sustainability on the new American frontier. We look toward a horizon where autonomy promises seamless mobility, intelligent and in harmony with our environment. A future where extreme speed and environmental responsibility unite in futuristic design. Looking back, we realize it wasn't just about the machines. From the Model T to autonomous hypercars, America learned to drive through a deeply human vision. And that journey is only just beginning.